Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn fast food English. In this video, you will see how to talk to customers at a fast food restaurant. Don't worry, the sentences are very short and simple, so you can follow along easily. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. So, here is today's question. What do customers say if they take the food home? The answer is in the video. If you find it, please write it in the comments. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more. All right, are you ready? Let's get started.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back. Today, I want to talk about something very useful: fast food English. If you work at a fast food restaurant, you need to talk to customers every day. You take orders, you answer questions, you say thank you about 100 times. But don't worry, the English is simple. Most sentences are short, very short. That is actually the goal, short and clear. Today, I will show you what to say at the counter, at the kiosk, and at the drive-thru. I will also show you how to talk about things like napkins and ketchup. Small things, but customers ask about them a lot. You don't need big words. You don't need long sentences. You just need to be friendly and easy to understand. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with the counter. This is the most common place to take orders. First, you greet the customer. You can say, "Hi, welcome to," and then say the name of your restaurant. For example, "Hi, welcome to Burger House." Simple, right? Next, you ask what they want. You can say, "What can I get for you today?" Or, "What would you like to order?" Both are good. Both are polite. I like "What can I get for you?" because it sounds warm and natural. Some people also say, "Ready to order?" That works too. It's very short. Then you need to ask one important question: for here or to go? For here means they will eat inside the restaurant. To go means they will take the food home. Some people also say takeout, same meaning. This is a very common question. You will say it many, many times. Okay, now let's talk about sets. In English, we usually say combo instead of set. So you can ask, "Would you like to make that a combo?" If the customer says yes, you need to ask about the size. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? And then the drink. What would you like to drink? Or you can say, "And for your drink?" See? Every sentence is short. That is the key. Oh, one more thing. Sometimes the manager wants you to ask about special items. You can say, "Would you like to try our new spicy chicken sandwich?" Or, "We have apple pie on special today. Would you like to add one?" This is called upselling. That means suggesting extra items to the customer. It's part of the job, but it's easy. Just one extra sentence. When the order is done, you say the total. Your total is $8.50. $8.50 means $8.50, so $8.50. In English, we usually drop the words dollars and cents. We just say the numbers. Another example, $5.25 is $5.25. $12 is just 12. Nice and simple. And finally, you can say cash or card. Most people pay by card now. You can say, you can tap your card here, or go ahead and tap. Both are fine. The first one is a little easier for beginners. If they use cash, you give them change and say, here's your change. And one more useful phrase. When they're done ordering, you can say, anything else? Or, is that everything? If they say no, you move on to the total. Nice and smooth. Okay, that is the basic flow. Let me show you a real conversation now. Hi, welcome to Burger House. What can I get for you today?
Hi, can I get a cheeseburger, please?
Sure. Would you like to make that a combo?
Yeah, I'll do the combo.
Okay. What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Got it. And for your drink?
A Coke, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. For here or to go?
For here.
All right. Your total is $9.25. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Okay. You can tap or insert your card right here.
Okay, done.
Great. Here's your receipt. Your order number is 14.
Where do I wait?
Just right over there. We'll call your number when it's ready.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you. Enjoy your meal.
You too. Thanks.
Did you hear that? Ken said you too after I said enjoy your meal. That is not really correct. I'm not eating, I'm working. But so many people say this. It happens every day. It's a very common mistake. And it's totally fine. Nobody thinks it's strange. So if a customer says you too, just smile. No problem at all. Okay, did you notice? That whole conversation was very short. No difficult words. That is how it works in real life. Fast food English is fast and easy. Okay, now let's talk about the kiosk. A kiosk is a big touchscreen machine in the restaurant. Customers use it to order by themselves. Many fast food restaurants have them now. When customers use the kiosk, you don't take the order, the machine does. But sometimes customers need help. Let me show you some words that appear on the kiosk screen. First, combo. We talked about this already. It means a set with a burger, fries, and a drink. Next, add. This means to put something extra in the order, like add bacon or add cheese. Then, drink. The customer picks their drink on the screen. And checkout. This means to finish the order and pay. You might also see customize. That means to change something, like removing onions or adding extra sauce. And meal is another word for combo. Some restaurants use meal on the screen instead. Now, sometimes a customer gets confused. They might look at the screen for a long time. You can walk over and say, "Hi, do you need any help?" Or, "Can I help you with anything?" If they say yes, you can guide them. For example, just tap here to start your order. Or, you can pick your size right here. Or, when you're done, just tap Checkout at the bottom. The point is, you don't take the full order. You just help when they need it. Be friendly. A small "Do you need any help?" can make a big difference. And if someone older or someone who doesn't speak much English comes in, don't wait too long. Go up and offer help early. You can say, "Hi there, would you like me to help you order?" Most people will smile and say yes. It makes their day easier. Now, let's move to the drive-thru. The drive-thru is a little different. You can't see the customer's face. You only have your voice. So, you need to speak clearly, slowly, and keep your sentences even shorter than at the counter. Okay, when a car pulls up, you can say, "Hi, welcome to Burger House. Go ahead and order whenever you're ready." Or just, "Hi, order when you're ready." When they finish ordering, you repeat it back. This is very important. You want to make sure the order is correct. You can say, "Okay, so that's 1 cheeseburger combo, medium, with a Coke. Is that right?" If the customer says yes, you give the total. "All right, your total is $9.25. Please drive to the first window." Or, "Please pull up to the next window." At the window, when you hand them the food, you can say, "Here you go. Have a good one." Have a good one is a very casual way to say, "Have a nice day." It's perfect for drive-thru. Now, sometimes you can't hear the customer well. It's noisy. Cars, wind, rain. Don't be afraid to ask again. You can say, "Sorry, could you say that one more time?" Or, "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?" These are very polite. No one will be upset. You can also say, "Was that a medium or a large?" just to double check. The most important thing at the drive-thru is to keep it short and keep it clear. Okay, let's talk about one more thing. Napkins, straws, ketchup, salt, pepper. These small things. They are not part of the order, but they are part of the experience. Customers ask about them a lot. Sometimes they can't find them, so you need to help. If a customer asks, "Where are the napkins?" you can say, "They're right over there by the drink station." Or, "They're on the counter next to the straws." You can also point and say, "Right over there." Now, some items are free. Customers don't always know that. You can say, "Oh, those are free. You can grab as many as you need." Or, "Help yourself. They're right by the door." Help yourself is a very natural phrase. It means, please take them freely. You might also hear the word complimentary. That means free, but it sounds more formal. You don't need to use it. Help yourself is much easier and more friendly. I recommend using that one. You can also offer these things before the customer asks. When you hand them their food, you can say, "Do you need any extra napkins or ketchup?" Or, "Would you like some ketchup with that?" If they ordered fries, ketchup is a good thing to offer. If they ordered nuggets, you can ask about sauce. "Which sauce would you like?" We have barbecue, ranch, sweet and sour, and honey mustard. These small questions show that you care. Customers like that. It's not about the order, it's about being helpful. All right, let's wrap up. Today, we talked about fast food English for workers. We covered the counter, the kiosk, and the drive-thru. And we talked about small things like napkins and ketchup. Now, I want you to remember 3 things. Number 1, keep it short. Customers don't want long sentences. They want quick answers. Number 2, keep it clear. Say each word so the customer can understand you. Number 3, keep it kind. A smile in your voice goes a long way. Even if you are tired, even if it's busy, try to sound friendly. Customers remember that. You don't need perfect English. You need English that works. If the customer understands you and you understand the customer, that's a win. And honestly, most customers are nice. They know you are trying your best. So don't be afraid. You can do this. And I think, after watching this video, you're already a step closer. Practice these phrases out loud. Say them again and again. They will become natural very quickly. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
How was it? I hope this video helped you learn useful fast food English. Now let me ask the question one more time. What do customers say if they take the food home? Did you find the answer? If you did, please write it in the comments. Practicing English output like this will help you improve faster. On this channel, I share simple and practical English you can use in real life. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!